Kia ora, how's everyone doing? Hey whanau, how's everyone doing? Man, it feels like I haven't seen these in a while. It has been a few days. Chur. Okay. Please say hi to me. Hello, M60. Let me just grab my extension cord. Chur whanau, hope you're all doing well. Missed you guys, really missed you guys too. How's everyone been? Hope you've been safe, eh? Straight up. Oh god. Yo, the Pixel Wolf, brother, thank you very much for the sub. My bro, nothing has changed. You can watch for free if you're new here. Much appreciated, brother. Welcome. Welcome to the whanau, brother. Oh god. Chill nada. Thank you, man. Didn't have to. You can watch for free. Broxh, I passed all my exams. No, that's very bloody good, brother. This is tea. Swaddle bulb. What is swaddle light bulb? Chur, brother. Oh, come on. Yo, Silver. Thanks for the 5 gifted subs, brother. You did not have to, though. Jeez. And Spurgus as well. I saw you as well with the sub. Thank you very much, brother. You guys can watch for free, but everyone that received the gifted sub from Silver, say thank you. Chur, brother Thunder. Gotta love YouTube ads. Captain Tufa. Chur, Phoenix. Kia ora, bro. But yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. So yeah, back to the normal. So I've got me a canvas. I've got to buy me some paint now and the afro, and then we'll get that Broxh stream on. Yeah, for YouTube. Yeah, it should be in the social, the links on the page. Gonna be cracking open some apples, probably for lunch. Chur, Welshie. So like we always do, we catch up first and then we get some carving done. Happy birthday to the kid. Yeah, thanks, brother. Yeah. The dolls, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to though. Will the donation button be up for the Broxh stream? That's something I'm trying to figure out too. Maybe just after my birthday, then I'll leave it on. Maybe Silver, maybe. Do you play games? Yeah, bro. I like Ghost of Tsushima. WoW. Fall Guys. Bro, that is a good game, eh? I love that game. Haven't won a game yet. Son turns 5 tomorrow. Chur, JT. Mean brother. I got your email too, JT. I'll reply to you today. Chur, no man. Chur, brother. When's your birthday? Next month. Yeah. That's enough about that though. Oh god, how's Serenity? Thanks for the bits. Once again, you didn't have to. You can look after yourself. Buy yourself a pie, come watch the stream. But thank you very much. And Boxman as well. Boxman. Cheer for the sub, brother. You didn't have to as well. Yeah. But thank you very much. Yeah, watching is free. Here, especially. Cool man, no hurry. Cheer, brother. Okay. Let's get some work done, eh? Okay. So, this is due this week, and I'm like over halfway. So I better do this for a bit. Okay, so what we're going to do today is clean up the nose, cut out the other side, and then we'll fix that up, and then I'll start drawing the design on. Simple one. We'll get us there. And then we have to push the centre line back over because it's off on this side. Okay. So just chuck this fella in the voice. But I hope everyone's doing well. Hope you have had a good weekend. Some people are still in the weekend. Must be nice. But yeah, hope you are all good. So I'm just going to put these down now. I could even lower the entire tripod, like the whole thing. But we should be good for now. Hold on guys, just trying to get a birdie view going on. Take my jacket off because my cup of tea made me hot. Oh great. Okay, before we start, pencil up. So yeah, we over the weekend. Silver. Brother Silver, you don't have to do that, brother. So here's our centre. This one is off centre, so we have to push that back. Nitros as well. Thank you very much for that, brother. You didn't have to though, you can watch for free. Just getting him, Susie. Fucking bloody fight. What would happen if I lower the entire thing? Just a tad. Yeah, no, that's not working. Just readjusting. Okay, here we go. Hey, can you see it alright? Let me know guys, if you can see it okay. Bolter boy, you don't have to give bits, Bolter boy, it's all good. And my computer is overheating. Ooh. Might have to give it a rest. If anyone else see that Black Temple edit by Hurricanes. Good view. Okay. Where did you learn your woodwork so well? Who did I learn it from? My uncle. So this type of woodcrafting has been a part of Maori culture, well, since the beginning, really, since the Beninging, and it's always been a big part of our culture. It's not just some normal woodworking art form, brother, to us. It's pretty much who we are, our identity as well. Chili tuna burger, thank you for the subs. You didn't have to. Man, chili tuna burger sounds all kinds of different, brother. Oh, these ads though. Chili tuna burger, that is an interesting one, brother. Willie P.O.K., thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free in IR Biker. So yeah, on this day 2 years ago, at approximately 7 PM, my daughter was born. 3 weeks early. My niece was born at 7 AM this morning, or well, 4:30, sorry. And my daughter decided to come early as well into the world, born on the same day with her big cousin. Yeah, it's just something that buzzes me out every time. Oh, and then IR Biker subbing himself. He didn't have to though. But thank you, brother. Yeah, man. Thank you, guys. So, yep, she turns 2 today. 2 years ago she was born. Now she's going to be a big sister this year, which I'm bloody excited for. Hey, Chur, Fanta. Chili tuna burger daughter, brother, but thank you. Hey Fanta, how are you? Now what's going on with this bloody eye? You get splinters? Hell no. Chur cutter. How are you? Okay, yep, that should be good enough. Where's my pencil? Jeez, you just have bloody things there and then you lose them. Bloody hell. Lucky you have spares. Yeah, so on Friday last week, it was my grandmother's 75th birthday. Oh, well, yeah, it was her birthday. And then we celebrated my daughter's birthday yesterday because all our family was only available around then. Mine and Mrs. Brox's family. And it was cool. I enjoyed it. It was just a good day to spend with family, yeah. I mean, as it always is. But hey, Chur, Kobe. Hope you're recovering well, brother. Where's my... So yeah, but today is her actual birthday. I was like, you're going to daycare, mate. Moody, just wanted to say to keep up the amazing cast and team. Oh, thanks, Moody. Appreciate it, brother. Could have said it without the bits too. It's an option. Well, thank you, brother. Alofa, I've been watching your VODs on YouTube for the time now. Finally got to catch your stream live. Much love, also. Cheers, someone. Cheers, brother. Welcome, my bro. Hope you enjoy. Where's the donation button? Man, I haven't had one of those since I started, brother. Just a little something, something. Cheers, Mystic Fox. How are you? Was the end of the shaft flat? Well, this, so you can stab them. Stab and disembowel, brother. What's your favourite or proudest thing you've done? There's a lot. Becoming a father, that's probably the highlight of my life. Oh, welcome, Nits. That's probably the... Silver. That's probably the proudest moment of my life, becoming a dad. I mean, when she was born, I cried. I mean, how can you not? Signing off. Cheer, sort of light bulb. Cheer, brother. Have a good sleep. Toaster bath. Thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. If you're new here, pai noi ho te mātaki mo te kore noi ho. It's good to watch for free. Oh, the bro Otter, he's here. I forgot he changed his name. Chur Yanzo. Where's your name, Otter? Otter, can you comment again? Jeez, it'll be late for you, see? Oh, fuck, it's Connor again. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna turn the stream off. Fuck, not you. Here he is. True, brother Connor. Oh god. You know, being a brother, you cannot. Like, you can just watch. Joe Jiggy! Bro, your Minato piece is looking mean, my bro. Don't turn it off, why? No, I was gonna turn it off. But I've been waiting to stream all bloody weekend. I was gonna stream yesterday, but I ate too much cake and I got tired. 4-pound basses. Bro, deserve to get the Great Father instead of Mr. Bolter. Yeah, I rather prefer the 4-pound bass. Sure, brother Bolter boy, you didn't have to though. Appreciate it. Oh, now look what you're making Silver do. Silver, thank you, brother. You didn't have to though. Love your work and what you do. Much love. Cheer, Leo. Cheer, my brother. But Leo, if you're new here, my man, you can watch for free. Cake. Now that's a language I can speak, bro. It was pretty nice, eh? Is this project edible? I mean, if you want to get slapped in the mouth and lose all your teeth. Cheer, bonfire. There you are. Found you. Oh, you already got the Pounamu sword. Oh, good. Welcome to the Pouanakas, bro. Pigs Gaming. Cheer, man. Thanks for the sub. You didn't have to though, brother. You can watch for free. So I'm just doing the nose at the moment and then I'll draw them up and then we'll cut them out. It's a sub battle. Don't encourage it. Bloody hell. Because I will one day. Egg means troll. Yeah, I mean, if you like eggs, man, sorry, but don't be an egg in here. Just cook them, brother. That's all I'm asking. Just fixing up our nostrils. I love this guy. Oh, Chur, ghosty. Ghosty. Rhymes with toasty. Ooh, cheese toasty. Put some onions in it. Ooh, stop it. Did all Maori warriors get carved tattoos? Yeah, pretty much, bro. That was how they received the tattoo, eh? I'm Silver's influencer. Ah, Bolter boy. That's enough, bro. You've done enough. So the top needs to come down. Yeah, I got my canvas too for our thing, our painting stream. I just gotta find a stand. Egg is a stink guy. So just to give a little insight on how our ancestors actually got the tattoos, I will explain soon after I do this nose. Just to give a little insight. So story time incoming. Twitch sub, let's go. Don't you dare. Well, I hope everyone's good. Let's just say I won't be eating cake for the rest of the year. Ugh. Yeah, so I'll explain the tattoos after I do this nose. And then we should be good to go. Okay. This nose is looking good. So I'll just do the other side. So I'm just going to do this nose and then we'll give the bro the explanation and anyone else. Okay. It's story time. My stream keeps buffering. Oh, don't say that, please. Love the new emotes. Oh, you can thank Thunder for those, brother. Okay. So just a little explanation on the facial markings that our ancestors used to get. So, let me just adjust this camera. There we go. Where's my story time emote? That might be the next one, eh? So, with the facial markings that our ancestors received, I'll actually turn it down a bit, eh? Okay. So with all these facial markings that someone was asking about and how our ancestors received them, how they received them was actually like scarification. So unlike our Polynesian brothers and sisters, our ancestors cut into the skin. So where this art form comes from is our ancestor known by the name as Uetonga. So Uetonga, this music's still loud, eh? So Uetonga was the first tattooist of the Maori people, and he was the one that created all the markings that you may see on some of our people today, but most of all on our ancestors. So all the facial markings, right down to the women's one as well, which is the Moko. But the first recipient to receive a mata ora, or a facial mask, was facial markings, was Mata Ora himself, who was the nephew the son-in-law to Uetonga, who was with his daughter Niwareka, who was the god of weaving. And so from that, so the tools that they used were actually stone or bone chisels, so we call them uhi. So they would use bone fragments from birds, but most of all from an albatross. They were separated into 3 different sizes. The much larger one was used to etch a blueprint line within the skin, so kind of like light little cuts along the skin so you know where to follow. And then moving on to a lot of blood loss. Some of our ancestors died receiving these markings as well, but in our culture it's an honour to have the markings than to have none at all, because it tells the story of what you went through throughout your life, kind of like a CV or a blue or like resume, if you will. And so with the 3rd chisel, it was the much largest chisel we had, used to dip into our ink pots. So the ink was made out of thank you. So the stuff we used for our ink was actually paru, which is soot from the river, right down to tree bark and a certain caterpillar as well. And so these were used mushed together to create kind of like a paste or ink, and it was applied into the wounds and cauterized shut with embers from the fire. So now with the whole facial markings itself, so from the eyelids down was a representation of your physical attributes, what you could do in the physical realm. And right down from a gardener, fisherman, be it a carver like myself, or even a hunter, anything that you did within the physical realm, they would embed into the designs within your skin, from the eyelids right down to your legs. And from the eyelids up was more for the spiritual side, so if you could pass down genealogy, navigate through the stars, or even like incantations and prayers, and talking to our dearly beloved that have passed on as well, you would receive markings from the head, from the eyelids up. Now the reason why the head is the most sacred part of our body is because it holds all your knowledge, and it's the closest body part to the heavens as well. And so you would receive markings here on the forehead. Now for the left hand side of our face, it was more for our mother's genealogy. So the reason why the left hand side is for the mothers is because it's closer to the heart. And then the right hand side was reserved for your father's genealogy. So you got to have a yin with a yang, keeping the balance. So you had love, compassion on one side, and peace, and you have war, anger, and courage on the other side. So just now, if they did, well, there's a big problem. Your parents were probably cousins, but that's never the case these days. So the designs were all symmetrical, but they were also different on each side, just to tie back to your mother's or your father's genealogy. And so from there, so what happens now is we move. So you look at the male's facial moko, it's the entire face. Now with the females, they have a smaller compact moko kauai, which is kind of like a chin tattoo. You may see some of the females adorning on their skin, if you will. But it doesn't mean that the male's tattoos are much higher than the males. We all good? What's happening? Oh, lagging. Damn, are we lagging? Chur crawling. Jesus, our camera's still lagging. Okay, shall we start again? Hang on guys, I'll just message the bro. maybe should have checked that, eh? Just watching the chat. You know, guys, just messaging someone. There we go. My appearance caused the disturbance. Oh, this guy. Only lagging when you talk about the ancestors. Okay, how much of that did you guys catch? Because I can start again. I don't mind. It's good enough. We heard everything. Really beautiful tradition. Oh, not finished yet. You played Korg right. Nah, I didn't, man. I didn't. We caught a fair bit. We got it all. Okay. So, we were on the chin tattoo for the ladies. Good, just the image. Oh, okay. Fuck's sake. Okay. Sorry for missing your guys' comments. Yeah, jeez, I should have kept an eye on that. Cool polar bear, thank you for the badges. Oh, for the bits. You didn't have to though. We're just having a bit of story time with a hint of leg. But I'll carry on. So with the ladies' chin tattoos, which is called a Moko Kauai, doesn't mean that it's below the male's facial designs. So yeah, there's no outweighing one another. So the reason why the ladies do not get their entire face tattooed, I have a theory about the leg. His ancestors don't want people to know about their culture's past. I mean, we share it every day, so maybe it's just the bag. Maybe it's the bag gods, the stream bag gods. Killer Polar Bear, thank you, brother, and it's your boy. Appreciate it, guys. Hey, Chur, plastic. Chur, brother. Thank you, my bro. Yeah. So what the females tattoos, or Moko Kauai, yeah, as I was saying before, it doesn't mean that their one is below the males because they receive the full facial tattoos. Now, the reason why the ladies do not get their entire face tattooed is because they go through enough pain already, bringing the next generation into the world. So because they're what we call a whare tangata, now that translates to the house of man, whare tangata. So whare being house, tangata is man, like us, the people, I would say. And so that's why it was all compacted down to the chin area for the ladies. And yeah, it still has the same meaning, mother, father. And so from there, so it actually represents the night owl, which is a ruru in our language. I legit never knew this. Appreciate you sharing. Chur, Prolin. Yeah, it's all good, brother. Just happy to share. So yeah, so in our culture, the ruru is the guardian of the night that watches over the village as you sleep. During the day, it's the ladies that are the guardians of the village, nurturing the next generation for the future. So that's why, like I said again, the women are the most sacred people to the tribe. And yeah, so from there, that's pretty much an explanation on the facial markings. Now, on a puoro, which is kind of, so you would get your cheeks done. So pretty much from your waist 360 degrees right around to where the sun don't shine, and down to your knees as well is where you would get a poodle. Oh god. Killer polar bear, brother. Shit, you didn't have to do that, my bro. Thank you though. Look after yourself though, brother. I appreciate it though. Now everyone that received gifted subs, you can't say thank you. And yeah, so the puoro is something that warriors would receive on the leg, so the leg markings would usually indicate where they were from as well, like genealogy, and it will have certain designs that depict that they were the fastest in the tribe as well, right to the strongest. So if they had a particular design called puoro, which represents the wind and speed as well, So in the traditional pōhiri setups, like their welcoming ceremony I was talking about, usually they would send out the challenger with the fern and the peace offering. If they put it down and they didn't pick it up, come in peace, it was obviously up to their warrior to go and slay the person that didn't, and then a war would erupt. Yes, yeah, so that's just a bit on tattoo. So for the modern time, obviously our people don't carve into their skin these days, so yeah, we've come along with the times now and using tattoo guns, so just using modern technology, but once again still keeping it traditional. Now for our generation, however, it is kind of hard for us. I'm not speaking for myself, but it is hard for our generation because in a modern society, they think our facial markings are intimidating, gang related, and that's what's pushing my generation away from really wanting to follow that path and receiving facial markings, because it's more about our genealogy and identity of who we are as a native people in the world. And so from that, like for myself, I've never thought about getting a mata ora, facial markings. It's never crossed my mind ever, like from the day I was born right up until now. And I don't know, even today I don't have interest in one, mainly because if I get one it'll be for the wrong reasons. Now that's something you have to look deep within yourself and wonder, do I want this, and am I getting this for the right reasons? So that's something that works out, that you have to work out within yourself. But for me, yeah, it's never crossed my mind. Maybe as I get older, it might. It's in my mind, but for now it's just, yeah, maybe I'm not ready. Yeah, but with the ladies in this day and age receiving the moko kaua, the chin markings, it's becoming more and more common to this day. And it's a beautiful thing to see when you see your own people embracing who they are, receiving the markings as well. Now, it is the same for the males, like they are starting to really want to receive their mata ora, but yeah, we're still getting there. It's not where we want it to be like the ladies, because man, they're proud of it, and it's a beautiful thing to see. And yeah, so with the mata ora as well, I forgot to mention, it's not received all in the one go. Now you would do it over the span of your life. So you'd start at 13, because obviously teenager, you start with your nose, and then all your markings around this area, right around the mouth and on the chin too. And then it's up to you to do things within your life. So obviously when you achieve feats of strength or whatever it may be, you start to get the next set of markings on your face. And depending if you stay in the physical realm of your achievements and whatever, you'd only get this part of the face done. And so usually the last part that's left blank is over here on the cheek. Now that was for when your parents move on to the next life, so that's when you would fill it in, from what I've been told anyway. But yeah, to the bro that was asking for a explanation on the markings, there it is, brother. So yeah, man, I'm happy to help it. Like, if I have to repeat stuff, I actually don't mind, because it's part of our culture and it's something I love to share. So hopefully that gives you a little insight onto who we are as the Maori people, brother, in terms of the markings. But yeah, bro, there's a little something for you, and I hope you enjoy. So we'll get back to this Taiaha because it's due on Monday. Well, I think it is. Unless Mrs. Broxh is just lying to me to hurry me up. I feel like that's the explanation. That's something she would do. Will you be teaching this to your kids? So traditionally, brother, this wasn't made for ladies. So this art form in particular was not meant for women in traditional days, because it's more about carving people that have passed on, and obviously women bring life into the world, so you don't really want to mix the two. This channel is like my morning spa. Well, you have a morning spa? Oh, you have a spa? Must be nice. Remember, hydration is important. Oh, did I miss one? Yeah, I know hydration is important. Yeah, I feel like Mrs. Broxh is just pulling my bloody leg, eh? Would you ever perform a haka? Yeah, I plan to do one on the Bob Ross stream. I'll do it towards the end, because obviously I'll be in a state of anger. No, just like war state of mind. Which leg? Fella just talking like he's in spell stream. She might be listening. Nah, she's actually at the daycare with baby at her birthday. I was gonna go, but obviously, yeah, I had to stream today. Had to, and she didn't mind because I was at her actual birthday. So yeah. Oh, it's her actual birthday today, Matt. But yeah, had to get a stream in today. She was like, do you want to bring some cake back to me? Hell no, I'm over cake. No thanks. I'll eat some next year. Okay. Sorry I have to go. Oh, no need to be sorry, man. If you gotta go, you gotta go. It's all good, brother. Killer polar bear? Don't worry, man. Either way, I'll spend time with my family today. It's not about trying to donate as much as you can so I can stop my day. Hell no. No way, brother. Not a fan of cake? No, I just ate so much of it yesterday. I've had my ears filled. Chur, purple man. Oh, here we bloody go. No good. Doing this a lot lately. MLG boss, okay. Essay. Lagging. Chur and Phoenix, can you see the lag? Yeah, camera's still stuttering. Not good, man, not good. Not good, man. We're good now. Are you sure? Hit me up. We will migrate you to a new software. Oh, okay. I got TeamViewer too. Whenever it happens, it's just for a few seconds. Still, man. Oh, humongous. I see what you did there. So I'm guessing your name is Hugh. Yeah. Hopefully the lag goes away. Well, I hope it does. Critical Kazi. Kia ora, bro. So, he uri a hau mō tūhoi whānui. Me te aroa, Ngāti Piki au. Ngāti Maki no hoki, Ngāti whakaimu. Kia ora, bro. Is there a picture of Broxh eating pizza? Is there? I mean, I had pizza yesterday, so he was quite nice. Those birds though, when I was giving my explanation, Chrono, thank you for the sub, man. Appreciate it. Didn't have to though. I would love to hear about the Taiaha. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Camera keeps beeping, I think. Is it? I can't hear anything. Yeah, so the last day I tried to do a sword and I broke it. Oh, it's all good, man. Now you can do another one. That's the beauty of it, brother. You get to do another one. So there's a little chip here that I need to try and get rid of. Nah, it's not beeping. Are you sure? He's just pulling my leg. Those birds though. Trying to get in on the explanation. I was like, bro. Shoddy McBangbang. Interesting name, bro. Thank you for the sub, my bro. If you are new here, man, you can watch for free, bro. It's all good. Beeping might be Skynet. Tui talk. Do people ask you to be Korg or embrace being called Korg? Just embrace it, brother. Given by the community, enjoyed by the community, do it for the community, brother. You're an inspiration. Thanks, NS6 Mel. Cheer, bro. Or sis. We are all Korg. This reminds me of Venom. We are Korg, bro. So I'm just trying to get rid of this chip that's in the bloody the mouth here. May I ask the brand of hoodie? I don't know, it's from Hellenstein's. Mrs. Brox's, eh? She got it. I was like, this is a boys one, give it here. 5 million Korgs, man. Imagine. Oh, that's what it is. That's right, it goes do. That's it, eh? That's right. Do. Cheer, Tomo, cook, cheer, brother. What gives you the motivation to stream? I've been trying to get myself to stream, but I can't find the motivation. Everyone that's here. Pretty much. Can I get a permaban? Nah, you're stuck with us for life, mate. If you want to get a ban, you gotta leave. I mean, that's my inspiration, man. Te arawa. Happy birthday to your little one, boy. Tēnā koe te arawa. True. Te arawa u. Te arawa u. Te arawa tangata. Te arawa waka. Te arawa u. It's no longer timed out. Do you watch any streamers? Yeah, bro, heaps. There's this Hoha fella in the chat. Fella like yelling heaps. His name's Just for Kicks. He only yells in the stream. I see you, bro. Right. There, look, he's yelling right now. Must be angry, eh? These guys. Bet couldn't go to her birthday to the little one. Sure, thangy bones. So Mrs. Broxh just got back from her birthday celebration at daycare. Well, my spelling. Don't worry, man. My spelling's horrible as well. And the pure fact that there's an edit button and I don't utilise it, I'm like, meh. We live in a day and age where we have an edit button. Jorgen D. Hornet, thank you very much, man. You didn't have to. There's a bit of lag, man, so sorry. I might have to sort it off stream. This is the best stream out here. Oh. Okay, let me just do this news. You have a dad. Yep, but he wasn't in my life that much. Grizz games too, brother. I want cake bad now. Oh, bro, if I could send you this one day we got. Ugh. Okay, let's cut these nostrils in. I'm so happy right now. Oh, that's good to hear. Anyone else at the age where pie causes heartburn, indigestion? I ate a pie and now I regret it too much. I never used to have this issue. Pie kills me. Oh, true. Just get some Gaviscon, brother. That might do you wonders. What wood do you use? All manner of native timber, brother. So this one in particular is called Rata, which is a native timber. It's a hardwood, brother. The two is busting some freestyle raps they were before. Busting out rap gold. Oh, I don't even think those are tuis. But majority of the time, the tree behind me, yeah, it's tuis. Thick Wanderley. Thick. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Sponsored by Gaviscon. I'm a hop off whanau. Thanks for the stream, Broxh. Gotta cook breakfast. Oh, good. The highful. You gotta tell us what you have next time you're in. In this stream, brother, bro, we have in-depth conversations about food. And I love it. Is the source of wood significant when carving? Like where you get it from? Is that what you mean, brother? You want to tell me how to donate? Chavez, you can't, brother. You can't. Kia ora, Maya. Is that your fella's diarrhea looking soup you said? Huh? Oh, sorry. Well, it looked yuck anyway. Down for KFC, brother. Oh, bro. I hear hot and spicy's out too. Anyone a fan of hot and spicy? Do you play Sonic? Bro, that was the first game I ever played, brother, was Sonic on Mega Drive. That's the game that made me fall in love with gaming, brother. I remember spending countless late nights playing that game. Maybe when Broxh is streaming. Why, you're a frog. Wicked wings are my jam, bro. Respect to all those that do the wicked wing trick when eating a leg or a thigh, whatever you want to call it. It's the best thing ever when it's got no bones in it. Oh. How do you feel about food? How do I feel about it? Full when I eat it, I guess. The only alter ego. Yo, shot for that, brother. You didn't have to do that, man. Went forever and ever and ever. Yeah, man, the new Sonic looks way different compared to back in the day. Hold on, guys, just looking for some chisels. Yeah, like dudes wearing like gloves, banded gloves and shit now. How many quotes have you added today? Oh, quotation mean. Do you cook? What's your best dish? Oh, man, there's just so many. I like cooking a few things. What have I cooked before? I mean, marinated chicken with honey flavoured couscous and garlic. Probably not as good as Gordon Ramsay though. How's your day? Intelligent dude? My day's good, man. Just happy to be streaming. Chilling with you guys. After a hectic weekend. Had a real busy weekend, brother. How are you? Okay. Do you prefer light or dark meat? Both. He gets it. Bro, when I play Fall Guys, man, I get overexcited too. It's like I was playing Fall Guys one night last week, where I was yelling and having fun, and then Mrs. Broxh comes in and what the fuck's going on? Oh, no, just playing Fall Guys. Yeah. Yeah, equally as wholesome as Bob Ross. Oh, I don't know, man. Bob Ross is pretty up there. Chicken thigh is the best, bro, with a nice yogurt marinade and mango sauce. Ooh, yes. Yeah, I'm not fussy, man. Food's food. Point guard knows what's up. You know, on Ice Age 2, how those vultures there and they sing that food song? That's me. Food, glorious food, wonderful food. Have you told us your favourite soup? Bacon hock soup, probably. How about some Fall Guys stream? Yeah, man, once I figure out how to stream games off the stream pack, let's try and get me first dub. Tomato in the fridge or cupboard? I prefer cupboard, brother. Not really a fan of cold sauce. Good question. Good question. That is a good question. What's everyone else? Tomato sauce in the fridge or in the cupboard? I'm personally a cupboard man myself. You ever been to Kaikoura? Nah, man. Nah, never been up that far. Do you catch power? Never been diving properly. Would love to learn. But always warm before serving. Alright. See, we're lagging again, eh? Yeah, we are. Fuck. Yeah, judging from the fuck, what's going on, camera? They have a pocket squirrel. We don't even have squirrels here. Onga, yeah, and Phoenix is here. So he probably knows more about the IRL pack than anyone else. Feels lag, man. Yeah. Damn it. I might just leave it on the video so I can watch it. If it keeps doing it, I'll turn the stream off and go and try and sort it. Because that's not fair on you guys. What am I making? I'm doing a Taiaha, brother, so it's similar to a English 3/4 staff. Whanau IRL camera. Fijian Dad, thank you very much. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Yeah, the stream's like really playing up, and I might have to go and sort it with Infernex if it keeps doing it. It's all good at the moment. Yeah, I'm watching it too. Yeah, I wanna, if it keeps doing it, I wanna turn it off and fix it because it's not fair on you guys. And my mum just rang. Don't know why. Sorry guys. Yep, ringtone exposed. Chur, bro. Yeah, I'll let her know. All good, groovy. Tell mum I said hi. I should have answered it, eh? I'll ring her soon, or a little bit later. Yeah, it's All Might's theme song. It's been my ringtone for ages, like for a long time. Go call her back. Do you have mods? Yep, I do, Mike Pro. I've known the mods for quite a while. That's how I choose them. I don't just give mods out willy-nilly, bro. So please do not ask. Fijian Dad, thank you for the gifted subs. You didn't have to though, brother. You can watch for free. But if anyone received the gifted from Fijian Dad, give him a bit of a thank you. I paid for mine. Just for kicks best mod. He's a ranch hand. Even possible to fix. You can watch for free count. If the sub to Brox's OnlyFans. But I wouldn't be surprised if someone's pretending to be me on OnlyFans like right now. Now just to let you know, I cut my toenails, so if people show up with like feet pics with long toenails, it's not me, so they're lying. I don't take my socks off much in the winter because it's cold. And yeah. Cheers, Spill. Yeah, so if people are trying to be me on OnlyFans, tell them split an apple and see if they do it right. If they don't do it properly, then it's obviously not me. Okay, so that nose is done. Let's do this one now. How you been, brother? Brother Spell? Oh, Fijian Dad. Bloody hell. Thank you, Fijian Dad. You didn't have to though, man. You can watch for free, but thank you. Weep, weep. What level's your warrior, bro? Still cousin says you can watch for free. Happy birthday to baby. Oh, thank you. Look, it's Kelvin. If I was to make an OnlyFans, something I would do just to take the absolute mickey out of it is sweep my chips up and see how much it goes crazy. It'll be a real damn shake my head moment if it does. 60 now. Oh, chew. If that ever happened, or if I ever do that, I'll be like, really? Like, straight up, I'll be like, wow. Just doing the nostrils. Happy birthday to the little human. Hey, thank you. Or sub at some point. I said, Faisy. You don't have to sub at any point, man. You can just watch. It's all good. Wait, is his birthday? Nah, it's my daughter's birthday. It's just on this day I became a dad. I became a year daddy. Yeah. Let's do these nostrils. Fijian Dad gifted. Oh, another sub. Yo, and Ricky. Thank you. You don't have to, you can just watch. Where is old New Zealand? Back in the past. Like, where all old things are. Happy dad anniversary too, brother. Happy birthday to your birthday. Oh. Ew, who here? Short toenail gang. Oh, man, I don't know anyone that likes long toenails. I'll be like, damn, hooves. You are a Draenei. I myself, do you know speak Maori? Yep, I do. Oh god. Shire Games, thank you for the bits. You didn't have to. You can just watch for free. You can watch for free. That's what I should have done. I was like, my setup seems wrong. I can get it so close before ripping for the Dreadnought. Like, damn, them hooves, girl. Do you use a rasp or what? Doing a few adjustments for that. Okay, might have to move the setup back a bit. Okay, bad gods, don't let me lag, please. There we go. I was wondering why my view didn't feel the same. Synonymous, a ginormous pen for you. People that do stupid comments like that probably wipe from back to front. Like no meme. Have you thought of making guides on YouTube? Yeah. I'm just trying to learn how to use Premiere Pro. Like, hey, I wipe back to front sometimes. Ugh, really? The old, I'll wipe left to right. I mean, if you want to keep it in there, brother, I won't judge. You got YouTube Premium. What's that? Like no ads? Nah, man. I got asked to do some monetizing thing for your videos, like the email from YouTube. It's been in there in the emails for about a month now. So what is he making? Thunder drone. So I'm making what is called a Taiaha, brother. Similar to a English 3/4 staff. The difference being is this was never made to be thrown because we name our Taiaha after our ancestors. And it's one of the most renowned weapons we have in the Maori culture. Now this one in particular is for a young man turning 21 at the end of the month. Oh, Yanzi, yeah, I'm trying to have my smoker here. Oh, sorry, Fenta. Oh no, editing's just something I would love to learn. Because it seems like a very useful skill. I mean, have you seen Hurricane's videos? Man, that one he did for Black Temple was next level. I'm surprised Blizzard hasn't hit him up yet, like giving him a job with them. Like the edits he does, man, let's just say I'm a fan. I'm a really big fan now. So if you want to check him out, his name's Hurricane on YouTube. Like, His name is Hurricane, the original. 4 months, this is a lovely stream, brighten up my day to see you. Thanks for the amazing week. Oh, Fat Broom. Hey, Dave. Thanks, Fat Broom, for the subs, man. You didn't have to. Congrats on 2 years of being an amazing... Hey, thanks, Dave. Can we get a shout out for Dave Greco, please? Now, everyone, Dave Greco art is another artist that I really love to watch. I really enjoy the work that he does. Obviously, being a WoW fan, I mean, what's the big giveaway there? But he's another talented artist that streams on Twitch as well. So if one of the mods can give a shout out for Dave Greco, please. Now I gotta ask Dave, now with your emotes, is that a cucumber or a zucchini? Thank you, Fanta. So you go through, give him a follow. Man, I really enjoy his work, eh? I'm a fan. And thanks for that, Dave. It's a pickle. Oh, okay. I just had to ask. Yeah, so he's also on YouTube as well, guys, under the same name. So go through and check out his mahi, or his work. So mahi is the Maori word for work, no matter what it may be. Now, I am Macy Nick. Thank you very much for the sub. If you're new here, you can hold off doing it next time. It's all good just to watch. I have been to New Zealand. It is great. Oh, nice, brother. I just got a brain freeze. Oh, are you eating ice cream, man? Okay, there we go. Hey Trey, randomly found the stream and really love the vibes. Much love to you all the way from Texas. Hey bro, thanks for that, man. Appreciate it, brother. Do you hear Sticky Fingers? Is my favourite band. Yeah, I like Fly. That's the name of their song, eh? Do you have God of Wealth? I mean, no, not really. Modern our culture, brother. Someone draw pickle box. I mean, it would be a pickle with a magnificent set of hair, I would say. I'm from Australia. Hey Dom. Stone Zulon, how are you? I'm good, man. I'm really good. Just happy to be streaming for you guys again. Other than being a dad, this is something I really enjoy. And spending time with my family. It's just carving for you guys, catching up. Congrats on 2 years, man. Thanks, brother. You like alien weaponry? Yeah, bro. Okay, so I think we just need to bevel this and then we can start drawing. What's up, Broxh the Dad? Hey, thanks, brother. How often do you stream? I try and stream 5 times a week, brother. The only things that usually stop me is family commitments or just other things I have to do. Well, majority of the time it's family. But I usually try and make up for it, like on a weekend. Do I watch Dragon Ball Z? Man, I was born in the 90s, brother. Yeah, brother. I don't think I know any kid that was born in the 90s that doesn't watch DBZ. One of the pop vinyls is a giveaway too. Can you type in exclamation mark points? See if you got any wood chips. '90s gang, you know it, A-Train. You have 10 wood chips. Oh, okay. So yeah, I just made up our. You gotta say it quietly, I think. Oh, that's something I have to sort out. Is there's a cooldown or something? So I don't know how to sort that out. So I'll have to look into that. I can imagine the bot now. Can you just take your time? Hannibal and Gandalf, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Okay, so I gotta sort that out since it's only coming up once. Like, pretty much. And we gotta try and convince just to not yell it. Can help you, my bro. It's super easy. Oh, Chur, Colby. Yeah, keen as, brother. Yeah, I think I set it up properly. That's as far as I got. I thought it was all good like that. Clearly not. Apex Fractals. Thank you, man, for the bits. You didn't have to, though. What you making? So I'm carving a Taiaha, brother. It's English. Oh, so it's similar to an English 3/4 staff. So it was never made to be thrown. However, this particular weapon here. Just logged in. Hope you had a good weekend with the whanau, my bro. Chur, big bopper. Yeah, I had a good weekend, brother. Thank you. Always a good weekend chilling with the whanau. Okay. She's just a beautiful woman, and she had so many men. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Kokoro. What kind of boots are those, brother? So these are red band gum boots, my bro. Any suggestions for a new streamer? Just stream what you love to do. Don't have to follow the trend. Break the trend, be you. If that helps. Dude, I would have failed my woodwork exam if I didn't watch you. Big ups, Broxh. Oh, true. Thankful Rock. What did you do, brother, if you don't mind me asking? Just for kicks, there's 100 wood chips. Wood jeeps. Are you good at art? Nah, not at all. Can you be my dad? I'm about to become a father of 2, brother. Okay, so it seems to pop up when everyone takes their time. Okay, I'm just going to point it up so I can draw it without being in the voice. Oh, Chur, intelligent. You have a good one, brother. TJ Zucker, your work is amazing. Thanks, brother. That's alright. I'm someone that is never satisfied with what I do, brother. It just helps me try and be better. How do you feel about reggae music? That's my favourite genre. Sadly, we can't play it due to DMCA rules, which is shit, I would say. But oh well, it's gonna happen sooner or later. How tall are you? Oh, I have no bloody idea, brother. Now, the question is, where's my rubber? One moment. Okay, we have to make a compromise. This will be our rubber today. Where am I currently living? In Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Can you be my dad? Oh yeah, we call it rubber here. Sorry. Just wondering where to put these things. How long have you been streaming for? Not that long, brother. Not that long at all. I can't give you an exact date, but I can tell you not that long. How do you get used to the smell of Rotorua? You stop smelling it after a while, brother. That's pretty much the secret to it. Volcano just smells like volcano after a while. One minute, guys, just doing our sections where I'm going to be putting the design. Slap my... oh god. Chur, bro. Interesting name, brother. Okay, that circle's too close. Do you stream well? One day. So yeah, Rotorua is actually an old volcano. Haha, the internet. Where one truly becomes oneself. Okay. And I should just get a chair and chill with you guys while I draw this up. What do you reckon? Yeah, so all the geothermal activity, like all the geysers and stuff, are linked to Yellowstone. Yeah, man. Grab a chair. Okay. Just gonna grab me a chair. Okay. Can't beat the Kmart chair whanau. I revoked just for kicks mod status. This fella causing some tension. Oh, I think I could get used to streaming like this. Okay, so I'm just going to draw the design on for now. So just going to be designing that, the mouth there. So just doing off the starter pieces. I'll try not to take too long, just so we can get it started. I'll talk to you guys as well. Well, duh, that's why I stream. Good energy here. Oh, cheers, brother. Get my crate. Helga's in this crate. Yo, he didn't see it. See what? Of their phone holder. It's 1 in a million. Japanese on top. I don't know what you're talking about, brother. I'm just out here trying to do this design. What you were talking about, brother? Oh, you got... Oh, geez, sorry. Oh, Aegis Cruiser. Oh, sorry, bro. Shit. Yo, Aegis Cruiser, thank you very much for the subs. My bad, sorry for missing your generosity. Didn't mean to, but thank you, man. Once again, you didn't have to. But thank you very much, man. And is anyone that got a sub from him or her? Say thank you. That's all I ask. Try and get this design out of the way. Shouldn't take me long. Also, happy birthday to your child. Thank you, man. So I'll try and do this as fast and as nice as I can, just so he's sitting around just watching me trying to draw this. Those chairs were made for weight class. That's why I got one. Oh. You making a Taiaha for anyone? Yeah, so Big Bopper, this one's for someone turning 21 at the end of the month. So I have to try and finish this before the end of the week. Gonna head off. Oh, all good, Pandorium. You have a good sleep, man. Thank you for dropping in. Hope you'll like what you been watching. If not, it's alright. So to save time, guys, when doing commissions, it's always good to just use simple designs. I'm from but stay in Perth. Oh, Chubu, or Whakatane, or Wakas. I feel like that's Whakatane. But I'm here now. Welcome, brother. Godfather Actual. Yeah, so I'll just try and get this design out of the way. How's your stream so far? We haven't lagged yet, bro. But I've been watching the stream on just with the video in the comments. Oh no, I'm lagging. Oh no. Chur from Hastings. Kia ora, bro. Do you usually put protective finishes on your carvings? Yeah, man. Yeah. So usually, for carvings that go inside, you can use like your normal stains, right down to like the oils as well. For anything outside, for myself in particular, I would rather paint them. Just to like, give them the extra bit of protection. Did we jinx it? Cut off. Whakatane, my bro, seen your clip on YouTube. Whakatane has found your stream. Yeah, bro, so my wahine's from Whakatane. So, she grew up in Wairaka. She's a Hudson. We've been together for around 5 years now. Looks like your camera is dehydrated. What? Wouldn't that be a good thing? Ain't nobody want a wet camera. Not too shifty? Oh, thanks for the bits. I'm just glad you like it, man. That's the main thing for me. As long as people enjoy the stream, that's pretty much a dub for me, brother. You have 70 wood chips. Oh, so yeah. Now the next thing I need to sort out is how to do the giveaway system. How do you earn wood chips? Just by sitting in the chat. So I was going to try and make it fair for the people that just lurk, but I mean, anyone that's here. Yeah. Shouldn't be too long, whanau. Colby, if you're still here, are you streaming today? I'm in the wood chip lead by 10. Another all nighter then. Yeah. So I'm doing a Taiaha, brother. So this is one of the most renowned weapons of the Maori people. I myself am a Maori as well. Well, obviously, that's why I'm a Maori carver. But yeah. Tom from YT. Bro, you don't have to give bits, brother. You can just watch for free. Or comment for free, I should say. But thank you, brother. It's rigged. Oh, we have our first protest. It's like when people say rigged after giveaway, and I'll be like, maybe RNG just don't like you. How's your day going, Broxh? Space. Oh, bro, I'm good, bro. Just happy to be streaming, brother. Chilling with the whanau. Happy birthday to your kid. Thanks, man. She's at daycare. RNG hates me, bro. You're not the only one. I get trash looting well. RNG hates me a lot. But I'm okay with that. Of being a dad. Chur, man. Thank you, brother. It's 2 AM here on Western. Oh, all good, bro. Garfunkel. Thanks for chilling, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Oh, nice one. Julia was a video saying thank you for his gifted sub. That's the one, brother. Okay, I've almost finished one side. Do you like anime? Yeah, bro. I do. My brother-in-law told me to watch, is it High School of Gods? I believe what it's called. Oh, mean brother. Oh. Got Cuzzies down. The rocks, rangi hikas. Oh, yeah. I've heard my wahine say that last name too, the rangi hikas. Gee, too much, brother. Oh, someone got banned. Oh, no, timed out. Thumbzilla. I'll be actually keen for Apple soon. Oh, it's 1 o'clock, holy crap. Yeah. So we'll smash this design out today. High School of Gods? No, I know that High School of the Dead one. That's one of those stupid, those silly ones, eh? I mean, looking at a girl from that angle, come on, man. Yeah, I've been really enjoying Fire Force. Leonard Burns, man. Fuck. Pretty much diddle. That's all it is, really. I mean, who has the precision to shoot a bloody sniper rifle through titties? I mean, come on, man. If we were in real life, we would have blew those bloody things off. You NZ's biggest streamer? Nah, it's Quinn. It's fellow from Whanau. I don't really look at myself like that, brother. Just here to have fun. And indulge in food. I feel like, so what's been happening lately is we've been watching the bro Thunder Punch and another bro Jigsaw. So we've been having these Aizanak Wānangas, and I'm gonna try give digital art a go. And I'm trying to figure out a character to draw, an anime character. Because we watched the bro, he done a mean ass piece of Red Goku from Demon Slayer. It was, bro, that's me. And he done Young Minato as well, so he showed us last night. Bro, that was cool. Okay, I've almost finished one. Would you ever go to TwitchCon? If the virus ever goes away, but I mean all they do is just stand around, eh? So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what character to try to draw. Try to draw someone easy. And yeah, Thunder Punch just like gives his knowledge on what he knows about it. Gabriel, thank you for the sub, man. If you're new here, you can watch for free. Just remember, you don't have to sub. You can't just watch. It's been a while. Cheer, bro. Cloud, oh man. So I was trying to think of someone to draw. Or attempt to draw, I should say. So this is our design here. So I'm just going to do this. So we cut that up, that's the name of this one. Just along here, along the mouth. So we still got to clean up in here. It's just about drawing it up. So I'll draw up the other side and then, yeah. Jeez. Someone bought. Oh. I want to try and challenge myself though. Have you tried watching Dr. Stone? No, bro. No. Disease gifted a sub. Oh, to Otter. Yeah. You should draw My Hero Academia for school? No. I was thinking maybe Deku or Endeavour. Not gonna lie, I think Endeavour's cool. He's a pretty badass character, I must say. Did Otter change his name? Yeah, to the Bro Otter. He was told me this morning. Dr. Stone is mean as. Oh, true. Hold on, yeah, I'll forget disease. Okay. Let me just figure this out. So I plan to design all of this today. It shouldn't take too long. Yeah, so a Taiaha is, like I said before, one of the most renowned weapons my ancestors have. Or that we use, I should say. Max808, thank you for the sub, man. If you're new here, you can just watch. It's all good, brother. Just for next time. See, the Crusaders won another title, eh? And now we got our North Island versus South Island coming up, which should be good. Okay, I think my circle placements are in the right spot. Did you play rugby as a kid? Yeah, man, definitely. I don't think I know much kids that, or people now, adults, that didn't play rugby as a kid. Yeah, this Taiaha is still too heavy for my liking. Is Lion King your favourite movie? Yeah. But I mean, there's Warcraft now. Do it, Nomad. I'm just making sure everything's looking quite right. E toko nei. They're dead. True, brother. So what I'm gonna do now is just adjust all my. So particularly with rape rape, the first thing you start off with is an S. Who's your favourite football club? Soccer. But I know people call it football. I don't get into that sport, man. Like, ever. I know people really treat it like the game of all games, but for me, nah. One thing I can't stand about it is the diving shit they do. Sorry, brother. Chur, where freezing? Yeah, we are. Come on, back. Why are you doing this to me? Camera might not like the cold weather. Oh, it's been colder than usual. Come on, back. What are you doing this to me? This is what an egg is, guys. This bag. Do you have a favourite car? No, I don't even have a car. I'm just doing this to see if we're lagging. Oh, where's my pencil? Are we all good? Let me know. Isn't like slowly becoming a mod clan? It's fine now. Okay. I believe Stowe Chatty. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Okay. Maybe this bag's unfit like myself. Can't go for long periods of time. Gotta have a slight rest and then go again. Gonna do a test. Wish me luck. Good luck, brother. Sel Ronaj, thank you very much for the sub. Jusai, thank you guys. You don't have to though. Ford Ranger. I'm more of a Hilux man though. They're probably one of the most reliable trucks out there, along with the D-Max. I mean, any truck that can hold my wood really is most preferred. So I'll just do this, and then we'll carve it in. Oof. Thanks for another good night. Oh, Wera, thanks for being here, brother. Oh, hello guys. I can't understand Spanish. Sorry. Lux. Cruising in a Luxy. Just a little tip for anyone that is living in New Zealand, looking to purchase a truck or any vehicle in particular. Don't get anything made by Holden. Reason why is because Holden manufacturers here in the country aren't getting them any more parts. Shlo, thanks for gifting us up, man. You didn't have to. You can just watch for free. It's all good, brother. The boys want to say hi. Artorius Games, too, brother. Can smell the rain coming in. It's my birthday in 2 days. Can I get an early happy birthday? Happy birthday, sad flamey boy. Sure, brother. What was that about Holden's? So the country's not really getting parts brought in anymore about Holden's. I love the smell of rain. Yeah, it's pretty good, eh? So let's just try and bang this out, so I can do some carving. Just keeping an eye on the stream. Hello Beast. So what I'm making today, brother, is a Taiaha, but at the moment I'm drawing on our design. Our design is called Rape Rape. Roll the R, brother. Cheers from Guam. Hello, brother. Leonidas. Ooh, the original. I might stand up soon. Yeah, I'm standing up and getting sick of sitting down. Alo, tama. Alo, okay, just pointing you guys down to the Taiaha. Oh my bumfluff has subscribed with Twitch Prime. You have a very interesting name, my friend. Now I just want to say welcome to a Broxh channel. Just remember that you do not have to sub all the time. You can watch for free. Super whammy boy. Cheers, brother. Oh god. Yo, Chronix rip, brother. Jeez. Thanks for gifting subs, brother. If you're new here, brother, you didn't have to, man. Appreciate it though, brother. Hey Broxh, I got married into my darling wife. I'm currently doing Maori school to learn how to speak, and it is also getting into carving pounamu and bone pendants. Nice, brother. What would you advise before going further into carving? Learn the history behind it, brother. That's what I would say. Just say have yourself a good base. Learning where it all came from, brother. Not only the art form itself, but I would say where the history behind pounamu is as well, the stone, which would always help. Geek is on fire. Thanks for subbing, boss. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Now I did muck up this little spiral a bit because it's too high. That must be weird for him to always hear the feedback. What's that, brother? How did I? How long? How long? That's long, nah. Cosmelix, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to. You can just watch for free. It's all good. How long? My long? That's the first thing that came to my mind when I saw that, eh? Nylon? Yeah, it's right. Hey, Dweezy, chill, man. Okay, yeah, I'll turn it down. I was just using the video just to monitor the lag with you guys. I'll just go off the dashboard now. Have you been out to see the redwoods in Whakareru? My favourite spot on the road. Yeah, bro, I want to take the stream pack out to the redwoods. Thanks for that. It's birds, man. He's been watching because of the bugs. Yeah, mainly just to see if it flips the hell out again. place is filled with life. Oh, it's just a tree. That are all the birds. It's like got berries on it. So many quotes. No, yeah, it doesn't distract me at all. I like answering everyone's questions, because I think that's the main part about it, eh? Answering everyone's questions, not ignoring them, because it's the people that watch you that support you, and ignoring them's kind of like a dick move. That's how I see it. If you're gonna ignore them, I should just powerbomb you on the concrete. That's how I see it. Contains. Thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. Oh, rimaha. When you use this pencil and it's got nothing on it. Do I follow you from TikTok? Do I follow you from TikTok? Only you can answer that question for you, brother. I mean, if you're from TikTok, bro, and you follow me, don't expect too much from it, brother. I don't plan to do any of those half-assed dances that are on there, or like do jawline angle shots of or videos. How they do it. I think the videos I watch the most on TikTok are Pokemon booster pack unboxings. I meant that I thought I saw you on a video from TikTok. Oh, Chur. Come on, bro, Renegade and red bands, bro. Red bands are the footwear, brother. They're an all-terrain kind of shoe. Okay, that's that one done. So we move on. Richie Life. When he doesn't read your sub decap, sorry. I'll go back then. Oh, you said that more than once. Okay. Decap subscriber, Twitch one, this subscribe. Oh, it doesn't even show you a message on the chat, brother. Sorry. Thank you, though. You didn't have to, though, brother. Aren't the boots uncomfortable? Hell no! Oh god, here we go. Let me just have a bit of a cough. Mr. Jono, Critty and Crisp Mint Lettuce. Oh, right. Thank you guys for subbing. If he's a new here, you didn't have to, eh? You can just watch for free, it's totally fine. If your sub doesn't show, you can refresh it. Oh, hello MTG Nerd Girl. Oh, she's got a ticket. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Oh, jeez. Quail and ale. Thank you, man. If you're new here, man, you didn't have to gift subs, eh? All good just to watch. But thank you, brother. To any of those that received that gifted sub from the bro, don't forget to say thank you. Hey, Adede. Chur, bro. Do you have any pets? Nah, man, we're not allowed any pets, eh? Sadly. I was really wanting one. One chilled monkey, I've been watching this for free without subbing like he says. Oh, chill, brother. Go on. Not allowed any kids, boy. Pets, bro. Not allowed any kids, what do you mean, bro? Erika Pate papaya tsurairi Irangie. Okay. Broxh, what nationality are you? I know that there was get your inspiration, I just don't know where you're from. I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, but I'm Maori, brother. People tend to say the world usually labels us as Kiwis, but I'm not a bird, to be honest. Just say. Peki mai ki runga ia, pipi taiori. Where's the dono? I'm getting money soon. Bro, you can save your money for you, man. There's no dono button here, won't be yet. Got a lot of family in Rotorua. Me or you, brother? You a tiger then, if not a bird. What are you talking about? Which version you like better? I prefer retail. But yeah, I love all forms of wowee, but it's just hard, man. Oh yeah, no, I'm not a bird. Oh, don't want to play the goods just yet. Yeah, it's just what people call people from NZ. I mean, yeah, the bird's a national icon, but as a native to Aotearoa, New Zealand, I'm not a bird. Just take media for example. Say when a Maori does something good, they label it as a Kiwi. When they do something bad, it's Maori this, Maori that. That's why I always acknowledge that I'm Maori. Well, I am, but you know. Okay, I think these are all done. Gee, Tamo. Skinwalker, thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. I'll never get sick of saying that, eh? Never. Okay, let's carve. Let me just get this chisel right quick. Now, we're not using our medium mallet today. The one I'm looking for is the light one. What are you making? So I'm carving a Taiaha, brother. So a Taiaha is one of the most renowned weapons that my ancestors used. And it's a weapon we still use today, not so much for its old purpose, mainly just for performances these days. Okay, man, this is a different grind. It's way back. Chur, Colby, you have a good one, brother. Thanks for chilling with us, my bro. Do you sell your carvings? I'll probably be doing commissions, bro. I may need a bit of space just to do this, but we'll see. I'll try and do it with the limited space that I have, just so you guys can see what I'm up to. Yeah, no, sorry, can't do it. Chur, tune. Oh, what a masterpiece right there. Oh, thanks, bro. What's our time? Oh, heaps of time before we go pick up baby. Man, mind you, we had a bit of a late start, eh? And yeah, sorry for that. Would have been later, but I decided not to have a shower because I take bloody long. What's up, Uso? Hey, brother. I'm good, my bro. How are you? Man, people like you are the reason I'm moving to NZT. Culture is so great. Eating up new. Can't wait to go there. Oh, koala puncher. Too, bro. That's one thing about streaming I want to do, is meeting all you guys. Meeting all the whanau. Dirty Hisoka. I am making a Taiaha. A Taiaha? What is a Taiaha that is going on in your brain right now? That is one of the most renowned weapons in our culture. Our people, my people being the Maori people. The dirty Hisoka. How long have I been woodcrafting for? From the age of 12 right up until now. A legend himself was streaming. Yeah, brother, along with a shit ton of lag too. I used to play rugby with a few of your Maori brothers over here in the UK. Oh, true, brother. Jesus, you guys can drink. I'm not impressed by that, because it's the truth. No, yeah. We can guzzle beer just as much as a bloody Dodge Ram guzzles gas. I remember drinking one time at a bar and they, this was a long time ago now. We got told to leave because we're drinking too much. Interesting grind on this chisel. If you take your love away from me, I go crazy. I go insane. Don't leave me, girl. You stay with me tonight. Story of a Maori man, right? I mean, if it's not getting you drunk, just have another one. My inspiration. Oh, I definitely will, man. Thank you. It's 3 AM in the UK now. Oh, Zork. Must be bedtime, eh? Remember, brother, sleep is important as well. Rest the engine for another day, my brother. Done, thanks for asking. I see you've blown up on YouTube. Yeah, I just checked it this morning and holy bloody hell. Almost at, what, 100k? Now, I don't know what happens at that, but I know what will happen. I'm gonna say thank you. Thank you guys for getting the YouTube to that. Sorry I don't use it much. I try and reply to some comments as well. I think that's the main aspect about it is you officially got a YouTube now. Oh, it's been up for a few months now. Oh well, not a few, I would say like 2. Yeah, I got an email saying monetize your videos or something. It's been sitting in there for about a month. Not even sure what that means. Happy birthday to your kid. Thanks, man. And thank you to DetNet. Hello from the Philippines. Is it Mabuhay? Hello, brother. Sorry if I said that wrong, breathe. You can earn revenue from ads. Oh, true. Yeah, it's been sitting in my email for about a month. I've just been too busy. My sole focus these last 2 months was just trying to stream and baby. Because her birthday. But now that's over. I can focus on other things now. What kind of wood do you use? Any manner of native timber, brother. It's in New Zealand. Well, that's in New Zealand, I would say. That makes sense, my brother. Should 100% turn on YouTube ads? Oh, that'll be a lot, eh? Because they're like, what, 2 hours? They're not. Hey, Chur, bro. Chur, Troach. Sorry, guys, just awarding myself with a bit of a posture check. They send you a plaque in Maori Tattoo. Oh, those play button thingies, eh? Oh, Bolter boy, thanks for the bits, man. Once again, you don't have to do that. That's what they are, eh? So I finish one spiral, we move on. Ads that support you for free. Oh, cool, so no one has to pay. Jeez, that sounds way better. I mean, as long as people don't get annoyed with ads, I'll turn it on, eh? Oh, I'll apply for it. Oh, look at this egg. Sometimes we get people that do comments like that. Yeah, he definitely wipes from back to front. Joe Dog. Thanks for the sub, brother. Yeah, it's just the people on the internet, man. Happy birthday to your child. Thanks, brother. Brian Monarchs. Gavin and Fotztielen. Oh man, these names are hard. Sorry for butchering them. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to though. It's all good to just watch for free. Who do you follow in rugby, bro? Obviously not including the ABs. Geez, that's actually a good one. The Maori All Blacks. Those ones. So my favourite teams outside of the ABs, probably the Broxh, Ireland and Scotland. Nicest man on the planet, give this man the Bob Ross Award. Yeah, nah, it's so good. I'll just try and do my best at painting. That can be the award. All I need to find now is a brown afro. If I can't find a brown afro, then I'll just get a black one. Even though the brown afro would be ideally... Oh, come on. Lower fuss. I'm gonna call you lower. Jesus, man. What'd you do that for? Holy crap. Yo, lower, thank you for that. You honestly did not have to, though. Appreciate the gifted subs, man. The gifted sub hammer of the man. Thank you, man. You didn't really have to. But appreciate it, brother. Now, for those 25 people that did get that, please say thank you to the brother or the sister, whoever this individual may be. You honestly didn't have to, though, man. For all the love coming your way. Yeah, brother Trudge. Don't worry, bro. I know who you are too. I won't say your real name. Not so and Mo Wang. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to, though. Is this a Taiaha? It most definitely is, man. And then there's this anonymous person. Who are these anonymous people, man? For all we know, it could be Lightning McQueen. Congrats on being a dad for 2 years. Good feeling, right? Mine's 13 now. Wow, bro. Feel old but happy. Man, it's probably the proudest accomplishment of my life, becoming a father. But, man, those are some years right there, brother. 13. Now, brother, now that your child's a teenager, do you have like a bloodthirsty pit bull sitting outside your teenager's window? Because that's like the coping mechanism I'm thinking of doing once my daughter hits her teens. Now if my daughter, congrats Broxh, big love going to you and yours, everything watching. Oh, thanks Loa, appreciate it, man. You didn't have to though. Appreciate it, man, like, straight up. Just keep your girl away from social media and mobile phones, man. It's the thing I'm scared of, eh? But if a boy ever comes over to my house, I will be holding my Husqvarna that I will purchase for wood cutting, not for that purpose. Ah, for fuck's sake. Lower! Lower, please! You're the best, keep up the great. Thanks, Bomb. Thank you, Bomb. Oh, lower. Come on, man. The bro out here trying to be Vulcan. Holy shit. Oh. Why you do this, man? Don't drop your tongues. Oh, this is wood, bro. It's fine. These are the ones I won't drop. Oh, God. Thank you, Loa. You didn't have to do that, though. Oh, fuck. I don't know how people can ignore that, eh? That's hard to ignore and not say thank you to. Peeking wood chips. Oh, jeez, man. Oh, we lagging. Oh, come on. Loa's making us lag. Love you, man. How's life treating you? Monteith, life is good. Just celebrating being a dad, my daughter, my grandmother's birthday on the weekend. But other than that, yeah, I'm good, man. I really appreciate it. That's enough, Loa. You've done more than enough. I appreciate it, though. You leave that sub button alone now, eh? Now to everyone that received this gifted sub from Loa, say thank you. Yeah, you lagged hard. Yeah, it's been happening all day. Which I'm kinda gutted about, because I don't really want it to lag at all. Ah, come on, do not start this. Not so. Thank you very much for the 10 gifted subs. You didn't have to. Now, there is no need for sub battles. What I want you all to do, now when you were being made in your mother's whare tangata or house of man, she gave you these. Now these here are used to listen to sounds and sometimes growlings from your parents. But most of all, can you just use them for me? Yeah, so just use these, just watch, it will be good. Make him shit his pants. Yeah, shut up, yeah. Don't encourage it, boy. It's okay, guys. I know Chaos Trojan. Amanda Pants, thank you for the sub. You did not have to, though. I ain't out here to try and shit my pants. I'm a grown ass man. Suddenly there's another person in the world you sacrifice anything for. Yeah, imagine. Definitely. That's why I always tell Mrs. Broxh, oh, you're like the second person I love in this world. Soon to be the third. And she's like, oh, fair enough. I was like, sorry, that's just the way it's gonna be. Bloody hell, you guys are crazy. Thank you for the love today, whanau. Oh no, I just whacked the ear. Oh, mind you, it's a bit high, so it's alright. Tunneled on the design. Broxh is exactly like that Ryan Reynolds interview. What's that one, bro? Dynamic, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Splice. Yeah, thanks, brother. Oh, we can streamer. Thanks, man. You never knew it could be so relaxing. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. How long does it take to get 100,000 channel points? I have no idea. Oh jeez, how do I say this? Front wing. Thank you for the sub, brother. And Nix did. Thank you guys. No worries, mate. This is awesome. Oh, that's good. You doesn't have to sub, eh? You can just watch for free. It's all good. But thank you. Just gonna. Oh, what did I? Oh, come on. The Raven today. Thank you, the Raven. You didn't have to though. Yo, is that Need for Speed underground car? That's the BMW. Yeah, I see you, Lower. Most Wanted 2005. Yeah, that was a good one too. Right, Broxh, I gotta go to sleep right now. Much love. Chur, Bolter boy. Appreciate it, brother. Go and have a good sleep, man. My bad, bro. What's there for, bro? The only my beds in here is the stream lagging, so my bad. Need for Speed Most Wanted fan. Yeah, bro, so I only like that one and probably Underground 2. Iron 1. But yeah, that Beamer was the car on that game. It was really interesting. Oh, nice, Rusty Bacon. As long as you enjoyed it. Dropping in to say hi and have a good day. Cheer the Combat Wombat. You have a good one too, brother. Thanks for dropping in and saying hello. Okay. Lower, you're making my back sore. Come on, bro. Oh my god. Posture check, yes. I'll take that, JT. Oh my god, bro. What are you doing? Oh, jeez. Loa, you've done enough, eh? Needs to come back. They should do a remaster of that. Oh, come on, guys. Pukamas. Thanks for the sub, brother. You don't have to do that. That's fine to just watch. Get out of here with that bloody train. I don't like trains. Bro, you were dead? Yeah, bro. So I've been a dad for like 2 years on this day. So I might talk about the lead up, eh? It was pretty interesting how my daughter came into this world. Thank you guys for the gifted tea. Don't know what I've done, but you can just watch for free. I'll never stop saying that. And thank you Loa, and to the bro as well. Oh god. Give ears out as prizes. Carve some ears for you guys, eh? Zarth Destroyer, thanks for that, brother. Resubbing, you did not have to though. And Tyke Myson as well. I see what you did there. Thank you guys for resubbing and subbing. You didn't have to though. It's more than okay just to watch for free. Finally caught a stream, yeah, wonderful news. Oh, welcome, man. Thanks, Pretty Live. Cheers, brother. Tons of love and respect from Canada. Hey, brother, thank you. I mean, can't put a price on respect there. That's something I would much prefer. And giving respect back as well. Hetty, thanks for subbing and gifting subs. You didn't have to though. Oh god. And Cap J and Hetty again. Oh man. Oh. Chur Amula. Chur bro. Fuck, I think I need a moment for myself. Hang on guys, sorry. Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys. Ori, thanks for the sub, brother. And Kikoman, hey, do you like that soy sauce, brother? Thank you guys for subbing. You don't have to though. It's all good just to watch. Oh. Okay. Get it together, bro. Let me just do this design. Oh, Hetty, that's enough, man. Buy some Krispy Kremes with the sub money there. I actually like Krispy Kremes too. Thanks, man. Krispy Kreme donut round like a ram, got a hole in it. Trauma. Hattie, thanks for the gift of subs, brother. You didn't have to. And Asakai. Oh, fuck. Trauma. Oh, fuck. Sunfire as well, resubbing. Oh, God. And Hattie again with the gifted subs. Proton subbing as well. Oh, come on, Hattie. I can't handle this, eh? Hattie is going off, yeah, along with a few others. Hattie, Trauma, and Lola. Thank you guys, and everyone else. Hattie, gifting. Oh, come on, bros. You just don't have to do that. Oh God. Dark bait. Oh my God. Thank you guys. That's enough. Just come and watch, please. Oh my God. Hilux and house with their dog is close to everything. Oh, you're dead there. Oh, fuck. Thank you, Eddie. You broke your views, bro. You're tutting as I'm working. You can stop now, please. Just come and watch for free. Now everyone that, but on another note, everyone that's gotten those gifted subs, please put a thank you in chat to those individuals that are trying to fight each other in the form. Oh, fucking hell. Congrats on your daughter, mate, my dude. Thanks, brother. All the way to the top. Oh, jeez. I'll take everyone with me if it comes to that. Dark bait. Guys, your respect is enough for me. Like, leave sub wars for Fortnite, eh? Oh my God. Happy birthday to your daughter. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Hey, Hattie. Oh, hail the king. I'm not the king, brother. Thank you, guys. There's storms coming in. There's a smell of rain on the wind, so maybe. Oh, Hattie again. Fuck. I'm trying to carve, but it's too hard. You are basically the best streamer on Twitch. Oh, as long as it's to everyone that's watching here. I won't claim that I am. I never will. Because being the best is something I'm not really interested in. I think Eddie going for the gifter badge. Could be, could be. Cheers, Zoo Fairy. Thank you very much, brother. Oh, fuck. Cheers, bro. I'll be something. Nah, you're all good, trades. I gave you a mod as well, brother. I was supposed to give it to you ages ago. Oh, fuck. Just carve Broxh, that's what they come to see. Eddie, thank you very much once again, brother. You don't have to do that though. Oh god. Echo Frost, thank you for the gifted. You didn't have to if you're new here. You can watch for free. That goes for everyone else too. There's nothing wrong with watching for free. Yeah. Perfect timing. Oh god. That's why you watch for free. Again. Come on, Big. Work with me. Please. Okay, are we back now? Sorry guys, that's why you can watch for free. I feel bad that that's happening though. Sorry. Just because of what everyone's doing. Oh man. As long as you aren't doing that anymore. Well worth it, just keep watching. Thanks Loa. Man, that you guys are, oh please stop. Thanks, Rybreed. Cheer, brother. Hope you're having a great day, brother. Zeph, yeah, I'm having a great day. Just chilling with you guys. It's the reason why I stream. Like, I have a few reasons why I do this. So, main Broxh got a PO box? No. Nah, bro. Keep your stuff. You watch JoJo's Bizarre Adventure? I tried to. It's a bit hard for me in terms of like the animations. I should give it another chance though. So I'm just trying to even out the design so it looks quite nice. Good to see things have calmed down. Can appreciate that. The birds are back. Good morning, braided chest here. Oh, that sounds painful. Oh, shit. How goes it, champ? Hey, Katsumoto. I'm good, brother. Hey, isn't that like one of the main samurai of The Last Samurai? Thank you, guys. Get a PO box. Oh. One day, you know me, guys. Might need a little heater set up. No, I'll never use a heater outside. Check, it's fine. If it gets too unbearable, then I probably will invest in a heater. But I can handle this type of cold and a bit worse. 1 degree's not too bad either. Don't freeze. I never freeze. I know you IRL from Smart and E-Funds. Oh yeah, I remember you, bro. Tree Putt. Yeah, that's a familiar name. Ah, yeah, I just keep forgetting the real name. It's long hair, eh? I'm boiling my shit off. Oh, you're in the UK too, brother? Yeah, I heard it's been really hot there. That's a big hell no for me. So no. I'm not a fan of summer, eh? Like, really not a fan of summer. Is it weird to watch yourself on the phone? I'm not really watching myself, I'm just waiting for grey screen and me standing still. It's hot and humid. Oh, true. Yeah, I don't like the heat, especially when it's the old scrotes sticking to the leg kind of heat. Do you do Twitch sings? I probably will, just to have a laugh. I mean, I'm not the best singer. As long as everyone has fun, that's the main thing. That's all I care about, having fun. If you're a male and you know that kind of heat, you know what I'm talking about. NZ projects. How much of the Taiaha are you carving? So just pretty much just the face, brother, the eyes and the forehead and the tongue. That's pretty much all we're doing, brother. Chur, John. So many, bro. There's a lot of people to thank, from lower to... Oh, there's just so much, man. You'll see the big dogs up the top. Mr. Peanut Butter. Yeah, I like peanut butter too, man. And Pickers, thank you very much, guys, for subbing. But just remember, you don't have to. You're more than welcome to watch for free. There you go. Forks leading by example too. Saying thank you for his gifted. My man. Okay. Oh, it's almost 2:30. Okay, switching back to dashboard. Twitch staff here wanted to just stop by and say that you're really admirable person, and I think I can speak for a lot of us here. Speak for a lot of us here that we look up to you and your earnest, respectful and extremely grateful nature. What you're doing, brother, I'm excited to see you grow. Yo, select. Hey, that was from a staff member. Holy cow. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. Jesus. You sound like Korg that started the revolution. Oh, he had a spanner next to his name, man, so I'm pretty sure he's not fake. If he wants to prove that he's real, he'll probably give you the 1-2 you'll bend. Still daylight here the previous day. Oh, true, bro. Oh, the man himself. Hey, brother Nick TV. Thanks for resubbing, brother. You didn't have to, though. You know that. Can we get a shout out for Nick, please, whanau? Hope you're doing well, brother. With your footy and your break. Oh, jeez. And we got a raid. Ion and Kaya gifting a sub. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to resub. It's all good just to watch. And Mary's Milk Monsters. Thank you. Thank you, Mary. I appreciate it. I will go through myself and give you a follow. Thank you for the host and welcome to Mary's community, or whanau as we call it. So that's what we all are, whanau, which translates to family in my native tongue. So kia ora to everyone, welcome, hi, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori wood carver based here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Now I've been doing this from the age of 12 and it's just something that I enjoy, that I love to do. Thank you very much for the host. Happy birthday to your little one. Hey, thanks, Ms. Kidman. Man, appreciate it, man. You didn't have to resub, though. Thank you, Mary. Hope you're well. Hope you had a good stream. Oh, it's the Terminator. Look who's back in the chat. Terminator 44. Thank you, guys. Hope you're doing well too, brother Nick. Is this what you do for a living? It's what I've been doing for a living for a long time. Not so much to make a living. I mean, you can make a living off of it. But I just do this because I love it and I want to show it to everyone. The donation button on holiday. No, I never had it. Never turned it on. It's not on holiday. I just don't want them yet. Sub button came along and go, piss off, ghost. Do you sell your work? Not at the moment, man. So this is my current commission. A little tipsy at the moment. Our man is out there watching some hockey. Ah, yeah, man. I'm a little deep-sea at the moment and watching some hockey. Chur Kiwi for the resub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. And Toxic as well for the sub. I'm going well, brother. How are you going? Oh, Chur, Nick. Yeah, I'm all good, bro. Just finished celebrating my grandmother's birthday over the weekend. And my daughter's as well, even though it's today. But all my family and my partner's family was only available for the weekend. And the Cuzzy bro, kia ora my G. Thanks for the resub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch for free. Yeah, hope you're enjoying your break too, Nick. By far, so Nick's TV is probably one of the only Brewmaster streamers that I watch along with Towley. Toblerone entered Chur, you're so relaxed, bro. Thanks, Toblerone. Bro, Toblerone sounds good right about now. You know, I just discovered recently that there's a bear in the Toblerone icon. I had one of those my life's all a lie moment. Good evening, how's your day? Raiden Dank. My day's all good, man. So we're in the afternoon at the moment, and it's almost time for me to go and pick my daughter up from daycare. I don't drive to go get her. I usually walk. Just enjoy the time. Yeah, smash a Toblerone right now and a beer too. Ooh. Toblerone and beer though.